Do you want to install WordPress locally? This is a great idea if you want to develop a site that can be used for testing or other purposes. By the way, for WordPress installation, we need a local server software to create a localhost environment and then install WordPress on localhost. So, let's download XAMPP. Open a browser and type apache-friends.org and hit enter. There it is, we got 3 versions for Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. But for now, we are going to download the Windows version. Click on the download button. Once the download finishes, run the file you downloaded to launch the XAMPP installer. Just click Next to continue. We got some components here, just click MySQL and phpMyAdmin. Click Next, and now select the installation folder. You don't need Bitnami to install XAMPP and WordPress, so feel free to uncheck the box. Click Next. Next, and now the installation process might take a few minutes. Once it finishes, you can launch the control panel to start working with XAMPP. You'll need to run 2 modules, Apache and MySQL. Just start them up in the XAMPP control panel, and wait till their status turns green. And now you should be able to test that your local server is working by going to localhost in your web browser. We got a welcome screen, which means that XAMPP is working. Now it's time to install WordPress. Go to wordpress.org and download the latest version of WordPress. We got a zip folder that contains WordPress files and folders. Now open the XAMPP folder, then the htdocs folder. Create a new folder, and name whatever you want. I want to choose the test site. Now extract the WordPress zip file into this folder. Remember your site name. When we create a database, we need to use this name as the database name. So let's create a database for WordPress. Open the XAMPP control panel and MySQL. Click on Admin. Then click on Databases at the top, and enter a name for your database and click Create. Put the same name we created for the WordPress folder, Test Site, and click on Create button, and it's done. Database is created, and remember your database name because you'll need it for the next step too. Now that WordPress installation begins, go to your browser and type localhost/testsite and press enter. Select your desired language and continue. For the database name, we put the same as what we created for the MySQL database, which was the test site. Put username as root. Leave password blank, and leave the table prefix as it is. Click on Submit. Run installation. Complete WordPress installation with admin information. Give your site a title, username, password, and email address. Finally hit the Install WordPress button at the bottom. Now, you have installed WordPress. Click on Login, and log in with the user and password which you have given for your site. Congratulations, you got a brand new website. Follow us for more videos about WordPress and learn more about how to use each and everything in WordPress to customize your website. Thanks for watching.